Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kinta Sentosa with ID student 123490009 from Instrumentation and Automation Engineering Technology Institute of Sumatera. So, in this video, I will present and demonstrate our previous practical session from pneumatic and hydraulic course. So the topic of the previous session is the application of PLC timers in pneumatic system. So in this video we will learn what is a PLC timer, the difference between on delay, off delay, and pulse timer, how to create and read ladder diagrams that use timers, and finally how to implement this on the PLC trainer board with a pneumatic actuator. So I will also give some real life examples of how timers are applied in industrial automation. This presentation is not only theoretical, but also includes a demonstration of the actual ladder diagram running on the trainer board. Let's begin with a short introduction to PLC. So, a programmable logic controller, or PLC, is a digital computer designed for industrial automation. It receives input signals from devices such as switch, sensor, or push button, and the process logic to control output devices such as motors, lamp, relays, and actuators. Why? So, for the programming method, the most common way to program a PLC is by using a ladder diagram, which resembles electrical circuits with rungs. Inputs are placed on the left side as contacts, and output are placed on the right side as coils. This makes it very easy for technician and engineering to read and understand. Okay, so let's move to the timer PLC. A timer is like digital stopwatch inside the PLC. It helps us control time-based action in the automation process. For example, we may want a machine to start 5 seconds after a button is pressed. So we may want a conveyor belt to keep running for 10 seconds after a sensor is triggered. Or we may want a lamp to blink for a fixed time regardless of how long the button is pressed. There are three important types of PLC. There are timer on delay, TON, timer on TON, TOF, TOF, timer of delay, and TP, timer pulse timer. When triggered, it generates an output pulse of a fixed duration. The pulse duration does not depend on how long the input is pressed. Example, pressing the button for even 1 second will cause the lamp to stay on for exactly 5 seconds. Timer format in the trainer board, TIM, like this, TIM, timer address, and then value, for example, TIM 0000 hashtag 50. 000 is the timer number. Hashtag 50 is the preset time value, or which could mean 5 seconds depending on time base. Now we will continue to the diagram of the PLC trainer board. So we will apply this to the trainer board. The trainer board allows us to practice ladder programming and directly observe how the pneumatic system reacts to different timer instructions. So I will explain the ladder diagram that I create. This we will make according to this. Okay. So we will using TON on delay timer and TOF off delay timer. We will push button as an input, and we will We will just follow this diagram. And continue to the next rung. And then after this rung is finished, we will continue to the next rung. Then we will make the ladder diagram here. Okay, that's for the ladder diagram, and then we will continue to the last round. Okay. Okay, so we have finished to make the diagram. So this is the ladder diagram. So this include using tone on delay timer, top of delay timer, and pulse timer. So the first round push button as a input. Uh, so cylinder actuator for the output coil, and for the operation, when I press the button, the timer counts to 5 seconds, then the cylinder extend. And uh, when I release the button, the cylinder stay extend for 3 more seconds before retracting. And no matter how long I press the button, and for the output coil and pulse timer, no matter how long I press the button, the cylinder extend for exactly 7 seconds. So by showing three case, we can clearly see how the timers affect the automation process differently. So if we demonstrate it on the trainer board, first of all that we have to do is run the program with the tone timer. We press the button and then wait for the delay, show the cylinder move, and then it will show cylinder movement. Next, it will change the program to top. It will show how cylinder remains active for a while after button release. And finally, uh, we will try for pulse timer. We will press quickly, show fixed duration movement. We can see that the difference is very clear between tone, top, and pulse timer. So like that, if we applied it to trainer port. So for the real life application, timers are extremely useful in industrial automation. There are a few examples. For example, it are packaging machines. Packaging machine is a daily timer ensure that a box is positioned correctly before filling. And then there are traffic lights. So it's like post timer are used to control the duration of red, yellow, and green lights. And then next is there are conveyor belts. So in conveyor belts, off delay timers keep the conveyor running for a few seconds after a sensor detects a product, ensuring smooth transfer. So, and next, there are automatic doors. The doors may stay open for 5 seconds after the button is pressed, and then it will close automatically. These examples show how timers are not just for learning but are very practical in real system. So yeah, that is for the application of the diagram about ladder diagram, timer ladder diagram. So we will to conclude in this practical work, we learned the concept of PLC timer. We understood the difference between tone, top, and post timer. We have designed a ladder diagram using timers, and we implement the program on the trainer board with pneumatic cylinder on the previous practical. So timers are simple but powerful tools in automation. They allow us to control sequence, improve safety, and ensure precise timing in process. So I think that's all that I could tell you about this session. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this explanation help you understand timers in PLC and their application in pneumatic system. Uh, so thank you for watching. I'm sorry if there are so many words or explanation that maybe uh, hard to understand, but you can rewatch the video to make you understand. Okay, hope you guys have a good day. I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.